Ever wondered how your money can actually work for you, not just sit there in a boring old bank account? Let's talk about interest. No, not the kind you take in people, but the kind that can grow your money. Specifically, let's dive into how Koho's interest works. Now, you might be thinking, interest? Isn't that just for fancy investors or people with loads of cash? Well, think again. Interest is actually a pretty simple concept. It's like renting out your money. You lend your money to a financial institution, and they pay you rent for using it. And with Koho, you can turn your everyday spending money into a little money-making machine. But how does it actually happen? Let's break it down. First off, Koho isn't a traditional bank. It's a financial technology company that offers a range of financial products, including a high-interest savings account. This means they can offer more competitive interest rates than traditional banks, which is great news for you. Now, when you sign up for a Koho account, you have access to a few different features. Spendable, this is like your regular checking account. You can use your Koho card to make purchases, and your money sits there, ready to be spent. Roundups, this is a cool feature where Koho rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and stashes the difference into your savings. It's a sneaky way to save without even thinking about it. Savings goals, you can set specific savings goals, like a vacation or a new laptop, and Koho helps you save towards it. Vault, this is a high-interest savings account where your money earns interest. It's this last one, the vault, that we're really interested in today. Essentially, any money you have sitting in your Koho account, whether it's in your spendable, roundups, or savings goals, can be transferred to your vault to start earning interest. So, how does the interest actually get calculated? Well, Koho calculates interest daily on your entire balance. This means even if you make a deposit or withdrawal, you're still earning interest on the money that was in your account that day. Pretty sweet, right? The interest rate you earn depends on the Koho plan you're on. There are different plans with varying interest rates and other perks. So, you can choose the plan that best suits your needs and financial goals. But here's the kicker, the interest is paid out monthly, on the 6th of each month. So, while your money is earning interest every day, you'll see the fruits of your labor once a month. Now, you might be wondering, is it worth it? Well, that depends on a few things. If you're someone who tends to keep a decent amount of money sitting in a low-interest savings account, switching to Koho could definitely be beneficial. Even a small amount of interest can add up over time. Plus, with features like roundups and savings goals, you can actually boost your savings without feeling like you're sacrificing anything. However, it's important to remember that while Koho offers competitive interest rates, they might not be the highest in the market. There are other financial institutions that offer even higher rates. So, it's always a good idea to shop around and compare different options to find the best deal for you. Another thing to consider is that while Koho offers a range of financial products, it's not a full-service bank. This means you might not have access to all the same services as a traditional bank, like in-person branches or a wide range of investment options. So, is Koho right for you? That's a decision only you can make. But if you're looking for a way to make your money work a little harder and you like the idea of a convenient, digital banking experience, Koho is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.